If you're waiting until your kid is a teenager to start teaching them about money, I need you to hear this. You're already late. Now, I know what you might be thinking. They're just kids. They don't need to worry about money yet. And you're right. They shouldn't worry. But there's a massive difference between worrying about money and understanding money. And today, I'm going to show you exactly when and how to start. By the end of this video, I'm going to give you one specific fun activity for every age group that you can start this week. Welcome to My Little Finances. Let's raise money-smart kids together. Okay, so here's the thing that most parents don't know. Research from the University of Cambridge found that money habits in children are formed by age 7 years old. That means every year you wait is a year of missed practice. Think of it like learning a language. A 4-year-old can pick up Spanish in 6 months. A 40-year-old? Well, let's just say it takes a little longer. Financial literacy works the same way. The earlier the exposure, the more natural it becomes. And here's the good news. You don't need to sit your kindergartner down with a spreadsheet. You just need to know the right concepts for the right age. We're going to walk through 4 key stages today. Ages 3 to 5, 6 to 9, 10 to 13, and teenagers. Plus a specific challenge for each. Let's start at the very beginning. Ages 3 to 5. At this age, financial education is pure play. Little kids at this stage are concrete thinkers. They don't understand abstract ideas like interest rates. They understand things they can touch, count, and sort. So your goal here isn't to teach finance. Your goal is to teach value. The idea that things cost something and money is exchanged for goods. Here's one of my favorite activities, the 3 jars. Take 3 clear jars and label them. Spend, save, and give. Every time your child gets a small amount of money, help them divide it up. Maybe 50 cents to spend, 30 cents to save, and 20 cents to give. The amounts don't matter. What matters is the ritual, the act of deciding. You're wiring their brain to think in categories before they even start school. And kids are so proud of their jars. My neighbor's 4-year-old would show every visitor her giving jar and explain she was saving for the food bank. Another thing that works? Bringing them to the store and letting them hand the cashier the money. Let them see that money leaves your hand and the product comes home. If they ask for a toy, say, "That costs $5. You have 2 in your spend jar. How many more do we need?" Suddenly, you're not the bad guy. Math is. So that's ages 3 to 5. Now let's jump to the age where things get really interesting. The golden window, ages 6 to 9. Kids this age are sponges. They're in school, learning to read and do math, and they're desperately looking for ways to feel capable and independent. At this stage, you can introduce the concept of earning. There's a huge difference between giving a weekly allowance and letting them earn money for specific tasks. Not basic chores, but going above and beyond, like washing the car or organizing the pantry. This teaches them that extra effort creates extra reward. Once they're earning, you can have real conversations. You have $8. This toy costs $12. What are your options? Suddenly, they're thinking like tiny economists. This is also the perfect age for a goal chart. Tape a piece of paper to the fridge, draw what they want, and let them color in sections as they save. Visual progress is dopamine. Pro tip: pay them in singles rather than one larger bill. 5 $1 bills feel like a fortune to a 7-year-old. The physicality of money matters at this age. Now, we're hitting the most overlooked age range, ages 10 to 13. The stakes go up here because this age group is ready for real financial concepts. They're on social media. They're watching influencers and getting targeted ads. If you haven't taught them to be critical consumers, they are absolutely vulnerable. Teach them the 3-second pause. Ask, is this a want or a need? Will I still care in a week? Could I get it cheaper? That pause is the foundation of adult financial decisions. If they don't have a bank account yet, now is the time. Let them open it, talk to the teller, and feel like a financial participant in the real world. Celebrate it. And here's the one that changed everything for us: compound growth. Ask them, would you rather have $1 million now or a penny that doubles every day for 30 days? Most will say the million. But 1 penny doubling for 30 days equals over $10 million. That's when math becomes a superpower they want to use. You can even start introducing investing. Have them pick a company they use every day, like Apple or Nike, and track the stock price for 3 months. Build the habit early, alright? Now let's talk about the group that scares parents the most. Teenagers, ages 14 through 18. It's time for real responsibility. If your teen has never made a financial mistake, you might be doing them a disservice. A recoverable lesson at 15 is better than a credit card disaster at 25. Try the monthly budget handover. Give them a set amount for clothes and entertainment. If they spend it all on a concert and need shoes, they have to figure it out. Have honest adult conversations. Here's what our mortgage costs. Here's what I wish I knew at your age. Humanizing money is incredibly powerful for teenagers. Teach them about credit before they use it. Frame money as a tool for building the life they want, for freedom and giving, rather than just restriction. They'll lean in. So let's bring it all home. Money habits are formed early, but it's never too late to start. Whether your child is 3 or 13, the act of starting is what matters. From tangible play to real budget responsibility, each stage builds on the last. You're building a money-smart human 1 year at a time. Now, I want you to tell me in the comments, what's your child's age? I'll reply with one specific action you can start this week based on where they are. If this was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to My Little Finances. I'll see you in the next one. Keep building bright futures, one penny at a time.